Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this battery operated wet dry vac. So if you guys are into cleaning out your car and things like that, it's nothing more annoying than having to get out an extension cord, drag that all around. Oh, you have to go to the other side of the car to get, it's just kind of annoying. And check this out. It looks kind of like a tackle box or whatever. It has this nice little extension cord here. And it's probably about 5-6 feet long. This can just attach real easy. Has a crevice tool here on there, so you get into those crevices and no problem. Okay, this can also be a blower. Down here we have a nice little wider angle one, so you can suck up water with that, and that just fits right down here. I like how everything just kind of tucks out of the way nicely. Instead of just right there, snaps into place really easily. Okay, so let's open this thing up. Nice and compact, easy to carry also with this handle here. Right here we have a place for our battery. It goes right on there. Want to get access to this, has these two handles on either side here. Pop those open. Boom, we have our nice little filter there. Whole bunch of goodies in here. We have our instructions. We have another little filter here and a vacuum bag right there. Okay, this thing comes with wheels. We can put wheels on the bottom to roll it around. Another little attachment here for your car. Nice how that swivels around, so you can have it this way. Boom. Oh, I need it to have it at a different angle. That's pretty handy there. All right, in here we have a battery. Really like that feature that we're going to be able to run this cordless 18 volt 4000 mega amp hours. This one says 2000 on here, 4.0 amp hours, but the battery has a nice rubber legs on there. Also has an indicator of battery life on there as well. Sweet. And here we have our battery charger here. So nice, we'll just slide that battery on there and charge it up. That's pretty cool. Let's test this thing out, shall we? This thing, I like how simple this is to use. Just set it right on there. These just clamp right onto place easily. The battery, we're just going to slide the battery right in there like that, and we're good to go. Okay, has some decent suction there. This thing can go over here, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, okay, so if we want to switch it from being a vacuum to a blower, just simply remove that part, and then over on this side, this just pushes down in here and turns to the right, and now we have a nice little blower here. So this can suck up water, or like it's wet or dry vac, so that's pretty nice. I like how convenient it is. This handle here I like how easy it is to put the attachments on and off and to just turn it up, and how compact it is. It seems pretty sturdy. It's got decent amount of suction there. And I like how everything just snaps into place and you can carry it off perfectly. So super handy there. Let's put the little tires on there, and we can roll this around if it needs to be. So pretty cool there, my friends. Let's go test it out on some stuff, show you how well the vacuum portion works. And real quick, if we're switching from dry, here's the HEPA filter on there, just snaps on there, super easy. And if we want to go wet vac, get our little foam one on there and push that on, just like that. Okay, and to dump this out, right, we're simply going to, all the dirt and everything just collects right into your bin here. If you want to just simply dump it out in a trash can, or if you got a bunch of water in there, same thing, just kind of pour it out. So let's test it out, my friends. I'm going to do the suck up some water first here. Uh-oh, have some water. Actually spilled some water here. Take our thing and just suck it up. Pretty good. We got most of the water there, just a little bit left there, but basically I can just get this whole thing of water here. All right, so dump all that water there. It pretty much got all of it. There's just a little bit of residue there that you can just sweep up, or just get a paper towel and get the rest. But got most of it. Let's show you guys real quick here. And like I said, this is super easy to just take off. Pretty impressed with how quick work it made of that. All right. It just goes right into there. And as we can see, if I want to get rid of my water, or I just want to drink my water again, there we have it. That works surprisingly well. Just sucked it right up. And let's try the dust portion here now. Okay, friends. Well, here we go. I got some kitty litter here, and then I got some cat food, and then I got some pea gravel here. So pretty good chunks there. I'm using my crevice tool on this. Let's give it a go here and see how it works. First test, kitty litter with a dust bunny. How about some cat food? And we got some pea gravel. It's pretty heavy. Oh, got some too big. The pieces were too big there. Pretty impressive. I mean, the only thing it didn't suck up was this one because it was too big to go in there. Sucked up everything nicely. I'm actually really impressed with this thing. And then if we want to dump it out, like I said before, I like how all the tools just store conveniently in one little thing here. Super easy, super compact. Boom, undo that, pull this off, and there's all our trash. We just go dump it in the trash and we're good to go. Really impressed, actually. It's got decent suction power. I like that it's battery powered and I don't have to lug a cord all over the place. I'm going to be using this definitely for cleaning out my car from now on. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.